Welcome. Today we have a 2013 Honda Fit. And this thing will fit anywhere. I don't know if they'll bring it to the back of a ball hitch or what, but yeah, there's a little dent right there. It's not perfect, but it runs and it drives. And the AC is cold. Look at that. It runs, it drives, the AC is cold, the seats are cloth. So in the summer, when it's hot, your butt does not have to be. You got power everything that you can get. You know, there's no big thing nowadays. Seats fold down, fold flat, give you more storage. This thing will fit pretty much anywhere. You can park this thing pretty much anywhere. You can park this thing in the back of a Suburban. You can park it behind your house. You can probably park it in your living room. But this is it. I believe it has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. It gets about 30 miles to the gallon. What's up, y'all? We are on a test drive in the 2013 Honda Fit. And they call it a Honda Fit, I believe, because this thing will fit anywhere. And when I say anywhere, I mean you can put this in the back of a Suburban and still have room. So we're in the Fit. It's got 246,000 miles and some change. You know, Honda's around and last forever. This thing rides good. The AC is cold, and believe it or not, you got a decent amount of space up here in the front. In the back, though, maybe not so much. This one right here, I didn't think, you know, I used to laugh at these cars. There's a lady in my subdivision that has one, and I used to always kind of chuckle when I see her go by. But she always had a smile on her face. And with gas prices being as high as they are now, I see why she smiles. The joke, the egg is on my face. You know what I'm saying? Pause. But the joke is on me. Because I put $11 in this thing. It was on E. It was under E. I put $11 in this thing. And we down there at half a tank. But anyway, back to the car. All right, you got the FM AM radio with the CD player, with the auxiliary. We got the 12 auxiliary right there. We got cloth seats, power windows, AC blow cold. It is a hatchback. I think this thing got a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. So yeah, it's great on gas, man. And if it wasn't for me particularly shopping for a customer for this thing, I probably would have never got it. But now it's on my list. It's on my list of vehicles that I'm gonna be selling. And I probably should have charged her a lot more. But that's it. I'm Chris with McMath Autos. This is a 2013 Honda Fit. And if you can fit in it, you should get it. Peace.